Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2004 Toyota Camry. I'm going to be replacing this outside mirror. Is damaged on the outside and the mirror popped out. These are the tools that I'm going to be using today to do this job. Some dielectric grease, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, and a door panel remover. These are the parts that I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a driver's side outside mirror assembly, a kit. If you notice, this one is black. The original one is silver. If you want a silver one, you're going to have to go to the dealer. But I bought an aftermarket one, a TYC brand, and they all come black. And the price difference is really great between an aftermarket and a one from the dealer. Okay, in order to remove this outside mirror assembly, we're going to have to remove this plastic piece. So I'm going to be removing this electrical connector. So these 3 screws, I'm going to be removing that. Whatever you do, don't drop these screws inside of the door panel, or else you're going to have to remove the door panel to get these screws off. Okay. So this is the new mirror. So I'm going to be installing this gasket over here. What it is it's a stick-on gasket. Put it on like that. Now we're going to be installing the mirror. Okay, so this kit came with an adapter. If you buy another brand, it might not have this adapter. So then you're gonna have to remove the panel and disconnect the wire inside. But because this one has an adapter, we can just put it on. So I'm gonna be putting on some dielectric grease, just a little bit. Okay, put some on this side. Okay, so before we do anything, let's make sure that this window works. I mean the mirror works. Okay, looks good. So this wire, we just tuck it in the door. And we put this plastic piece on. So that's how you replace an outside mirror assembly. If you like watching more of my videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.